2 red dots. Don't need
Yeah.
that. We got 4 red.
I already have a red dot. That's so many red dots.
Yeah, just don't.
I can't even pick them up because I don't have the space for them. I have a level 1 backpack. He's going, Mr. Robinson. I'm doing very well with the UMP.
You are. Last game when I saw that dude up the hill shooting, I could see him up there, and then you started shooting. I was like, well, at least he has a silenced weapon. That way the guy might not know where we are. And then you're like, got him. I was like, oh, all right, that works too.
Oh, is that the one where I ended up dying from the guy at the Dacia?
No, that was the one where we won.
Oh.
Right at the end, it was you killed him to make it like 5 guys left.
Yeah, that's right.
And then
The one up by the rock.
I was in optimal position, and you just said, "All right, they're coming left." So I just looked, and they came around the corner, and they could never aim down because I knew they were going to be there. And you know how that goes. That's not what I wanted. Whatever I just picked up, I can know. Yeah, we see the guy moving with the desert helmet. Dylan's like, Jake, you're wearing a desert helmet. Like, yeah.
Hey, there's another UMP.
I don't really got any choice here, partner.
That one suppressor for an SMG if you don't have one.
I already have one.
Some people just have all the good stuff.
Here's another UMP if anyone wants it. They can pick up that silencer.
You know what I haven't seen all night?
There's a 2x scope.
What?
A pair of blue high top trainers.
You're not looking hard enough.
Yeah, I know. If anybody sees some 5.56 ammo, I wouldn't mind 30 rounds or something.
I could also use another 30 rounds.
There's a care package sitting right there.
Let's go look in it.
There's also a dune buggy right there. So I'm going to guess that it is looted and there's someone in the near vicinity.
There's nothing on it. There's nothing in the care package.
Yep.
He's at the church.
Matt, do you have eyes on him?
Nope.
Oh, there he is.
Is he up high in the church?
Yeah, he's on the ceiling.
Oh,
Now he's behind the second bell tower.
the one further back?
Yeah.
Jeez, I didn't know you could be all the way up.
Now I think I just saw somebody in the bottom too. I don't know.
Oh god, well, my keyboard just stopped working for a second again.
Is
Oh,
he
there
in
he
the
is.
bell tower?
I don't see him.
Ooh,
Yeah, he
I
just
see
hit the
him.
one dude in the
He was
head.
popping around.
Had that freaking helmet on.
He's not on my side.
He's gonna be healing up now. He's on the roof.
And the circle's not playing nice.
Now he's on the left side. I just saw him.
Oh,
I don't know if he jumped down or what.
I just moved. He might have saw me. Oh.
Oh, there's a dude just... Alright, there's a second one for sure. He just climbed up. Now he's on the left side. Who's that?
I shot him once in the head. He's got a level 3 helmet.
I'm on the right side of the church.
He jumped down on the left side. He's on the ground. Somewhere.
Got one.
Okay.
Was he in a black shirt with a black helmet?
Okay, the other dude is... And he's got a ghillie suit. He's on top of the roof. I think he just dropped down, Dylan.
Yep, he's in the church with me. Got him.
Yes.
Did he
Nice.
die immediately?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Nice.
Does he take his ghillie suit? I mean, Dylan deserves it.
Yeah, Dylan gets the ghillie suit.
Oh, geez, he's got suppressors and 4x scopes and
Does he have a
grenades.
suppressor for a silencer by chance?
A suppressor for
Yes.
what?
Hey, guy, how you been? Suppressor for a sniper?
Suppressor for a
He does
silencer.
not. He's got a flash hider for a sniper.
Yeah, I'll take that. If you could bring it to me. Circles.
Oh yeah, I'll pick up everything. We can move it later. Here's a bunch of 5.56. Not enough space.
See, I used the car. Matt, I don't know what you have.
SKS.
Okay,
Okay,
so
don't
I
move.
hit that dude for short in the head, the level 3 helmet guy.
I shot him in the
There's
head.
a eight times on this guy. I can't pick it up.
Yes.
I gotta drop this.
He was for sure like standing straight up, just straight still, staring at Dylan. I hit him in the head. Dylan saw blood splatter.
Okay, I got the 8 times.
So that had to knock out all, if not
Is this circle coming in?
95%.
It-
13
We got
seconds.
13 seconds.
Get rid of this freaking.
There's a
thing.
dune buggy,
God,
but
thank
it's
you.
probably stuck.
Okay, I'm full. I can't take anything else. I got the 8.
You guys got 3 seconds.
There was something
Don't
else
worry.
I wanted.
We picked up a whole bunch of health. I'll have to use some of it. Dylan, you're about to get hit.
That's what I needed. Right there. I'm going. How far away is the circle?
Pretty
You have
far.
to swim.
Oh, that. I have to swim?
I mean,
Not
don't
super
have
far,
to,
but we
but-
have to swim.
How's that? Is that Doom buggy stuck?
yes. There's a bike over here on the right side of the bridge if you guys want to grab it. It's like right in the middle of the island pretty much along the road.
Oh, swim faster, please. We can't die after getting off the sleep.
And then Matt shot him in the head, and the same level 3 helmet.
I
dude
either
should've been
shot him in
dead.
the head or through the neck.
Either way, dude should have been dead. Man.
Shot him through the neck, he should be dead. Is he at me? Stay on the right side of the bridge.
Yeah, in the middle island, in the middle of it.
There it is. Ooh, a 3-seater, fantastic. Break. Okay. I should have helped out before I started driving.
Oh, you guys are going the wrong way.
Why'd you go right? Well, I mean, we're still gonna get in the circle.
I need to help up. Oh, God, that one jumped off.
That's fine.
Well, I guess I gotta swim
There's
to you.
dudes on the hill to the southeast. By the water tower. I don't have... Oh, I do have. I do have.
I'm gonna get out of this open field.
Yeah, I concur. Hey, Jake, are you swimming
Yeah.
over to us?
Yeah.
Should we head?
Man, I
towards the
can't believe
circle?
there's still like
Go.
90 people left.
Towards towards the
believe you.
Jake. We're going towards the Jake, and then we're gonna go along the river up towards the.
Man, I was trying to do the opposite of
No,
what I'm doing.
I'm believing you. There's like 100 people still in the game.
There's still a dude up by the water tower.
Water tower, where is that?
just
Oh,
after Razak.
Gotcha.
He's
Yeah.
way far away. I can see him. Like, I could probably
Yeah.
pick him off. Maybe
I think I
if you,
just
I
saw
still
him.
you have
got
an
this
8 times, don't
8x
you?
scope.
Yeah.
Matt's about to give it to
I
me.
have it. I'm trying to get to the circle first. All right.
I agree.
Please don't be anyone here.
I'm kind of watching this left hillside here. Of course, it's gonna close in on this freaking city now that I have any.
All right, 8x scope coming up.
Thank you. Who has that flash hider?
I didn't pick up a flash hider.
Shoot, that's what I forgot to grab.
That's fine.
All right.
Is there anything by that Jeep on fire up there?
Jeep on fire.
It's like almost southeast up on the hill. Oh, this is gonna be a fun little trip.
Yep.
I kind of like what Dylan's doing though. Dylan, once we get down this hill a little bit, you want to stand up and run?
Yeah, that
I
was my
think we
plan.
have- I don't think we have a choice.
Yeah, we're gonna get caught. Are we gonna
Thinking-
cross the bridge or are we gonna swim?
I think it may be like under the bridge.
We can't swim.
We don't have time to
We
swim.
don't have time to swim that far.
There's a dune buggy right here, which means there could be some guys that are right on.
That's a spawn.
Yeah, across the bridge. The circle is way too much on the other side.
Anyone with the scope can see us.
Yeah, we are. Anybody with eyes can see where we are. All right, there's a motorcycle across the river south, driving up. Sounds like there's people shooting at it. Okay, there's a sniper up
Okay,
here.
there's
This
one
side.
up the hill, and there's one team up the hill.
We got the
maybe?
sniper tower right there. There could be somewhere.
I'm gonna get in the sniper tower.
I see them.
It's a sniper tower.
East, directly east. They're way off in the distance.
Ooh, sweet, level 3 vest. I know it needs a level 2. There is one here. Okay, I'm coming upstairs. I can't see anything from downstairs.
Yeah, I can see the dude at 105. Okay, hitting. Oh, come on, no.
Good windows.
Okay, they're on the other side of the rock, so they may run around the bottom side of it.
Okay, there's the one dude. Stay still. Dang it.
There's at least 2 of them there. And if we're forcing them down, then they might run into that other team that's down there.
Oh, we have to move
Not that far, though.
across this field, though.
Stay close to these trees right here. I don't know where anyone's at. I haven't seen anyone.
We need to get into
They're all
bushes.
by those rocks.
They're all by the rocks over there.
By the bridge?
Yeah. The things we have to run at. Yeah.
Oh god. That's right right side suppressed.
Yeah.
195. He's by the second rock. That middle rock. Like from the right. Far right.
I'm
Far
gonna
right.
revive Dylan, Matt.
Far right rock.
Oh boy.
They're running towards the second one.
Yep, I see him.
Hold on, let me get in the circle.
No.
Almost
Matt,
there.
do you see him?
Nope.
There are south. They're by those two tiny trees now.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, now I see him.
Gosh. He just shot me in the head. Yep.
Hold on, Dylan. Nope.
They're distracted with someone else.
No, they were just shooting Dylan. That's what they were doing.
You can pick up my ghillie suit now.
And my level 1 helmet did not serve me well there. I got one dude at my 195 running towards that rock. Running past the rock now. He's in the open.
Yep, I see him. There's a second
Running
dude.
towards me. I don't know where the other dude is.
That's
I can
two.
see him.
He is now past
And there's
me.
one on the other side of him, so that's 3, and then Matt and you. So those are the last 3 guys, Jake. You need to start taking those 2 guys down because they're on a team.
This one dude is right at this tree right in front of me. Southeast. There you go. There you go.
What?
2 shots. Oh, no, he's moved. Right, left side. He shot me.
Okay, one more.
You know where he is.
Shoot.
Yes!
Let's go!
Yes! Look how much health you have.
Shot that nigga twice in the head.
2 chicken
Oh.
dinners.
Let's freaking go,
After
baby.
that first shot on my screen,
Tonight is the night
it
of
looked
chicken
like you're
dinners.
about to shoot like a centimeter above his head, and I was like, "Don't shoot!" And then you brought it.
Oh my
How many kills
god,
do
I
you
can't
guys got?
believe I just killed all 3 of those guys.
How many kills do you guys got?
5.
1.
Wow.
Oh my god, I cannot believe I just killed all 3 of those guys.
We took out 2 teams total, but that was the 2 teams we needed to take out. Nice.
Oh my.
What?
Dylan, were you recording that?
Yes.
Oh, thank God.